Welcome back to the Preconfigured Perl Environment for Students. This video is going to show off some of the automatic formatting features for Eclipse Epic. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and create a new project. We're going to name it Bowling Pins. And there it is. I'm going to right click on this project and add a new Perl file. And I'm going to name it Bowling Pins .pl. It's a Perl file. And here it is. Once we start typing, you'll notice that comments are in red. We're typing the Perl interpreter invocation here, and you can see that Eclipse Epic's already offering us some suggestions. We'll just hit enter on the keyboard to accept those, and we've got use strict and use warnings added. Now this program is intended to calculate the number of bowling pins in a bowling lane. In our bowling lane, we're going to have options to give you more than just a standard 10. What we're going to do is you can put any number of pins in the back row, and this program will calculate the resulting appropriate number of pins for the whole configuration. You can have pin configurations of arbitrary size. And again, you can see the comments are in red. All right, we're going to start typing commands now. I start typing, and you'll see a little error flag along the left. And it's telling us that it doesn't like this word, it doesn't like this command. It's actually helpful, and that'll make sure you're using valid commands. The editor is satisfied with that. Let's do this, and we're going to go ahead and type in some text here. You'll notice that literal text, that is that which is between quote marks, are in blue. Okay, and we're declaring a variable here. And the user will type this in. Standard input. Now that the variable is declared, Eclipse Epic offers us suggestions, and that's the variable we want. So now we're going to go ahead and create a subroutine. Okay, and you can see that Eclipse Epic's automatically indenting our code for us on the fly. I'm going to go ahead and paste some code in, and spare you listening to me type all this stuff. We're going to add a while statement. Well, I'm just unhappy with that, so we'll add the brackets. Now you can see we've lost our indents. So what I'm going to do is go to the source menu and click Format. And everything's back the way it belongs. And it's offering us suggestions as we go. This helps to reduce typos. And yes, there's simpler ways to implement this. However, we're keeping this simple, and we want to add an extra line in here so that we can step through it with the debugger later. And we really ought to return total number of pins. And makes sense to save this now. Or you can hit left control and the letter S, of course. And now we're actually going to invoke our add up pins subroutine. And you can see we're seeing an error message on the left side of this next line. It's only because the line above it's not complete. So when you see those, make sure the line you're on is complete. It's probably good practice to close things out this way, just to avoid confusion. And we'll add some text there to make the output make more sense. Go ahead and save that. In a future video, we'll step through this with a debugger and variable watcher. Additionally, we'll refactor some code in here. In this video, we looked at Eclipse Epic's automatic formatting features and auto-completion. Thanks for watching.